So now keep in mind, if you are doing with the cat eyes, you can definitely do it 1 coat or 2 coat. Absolutely, it doesn't matter. It looks good. If you want more like solids, you can do 2 coat. But if you want to be like you don't care, you can do 1 coat, because you are going to apply the cat eyes on the top. All right, here for 60 seconds. And go ahead and apply another coat. Thanks so much everyone for tuning in. Hey, thanks so much. I try to wave everyone. Hi Brazil. Say to group. And then the next colors we are going to using the crimson. So I'm gonna do the crimsons at the same time too. While we're waiting for the other one to be here, I'm gonna using the crimson. Give a little shake, and then I am going to just, for a lot of us worry about with the gel painting, just wipe off on one end of your bristles and keep like the gel polish on the other ends about the ankle bead, so then that way you can able to have enough of the gel polish to polish whole entire nail, especially the long nails. So this 60-second cure. So easy to polish. And it's not like a watery, runny at all. Keep it nice and solid. Okay. Here for 60 seconds. This is the second coat. Thank you, Brazil. Thank you for putting the code, not code, I mean the website. Okay, so let's, and that one's one more coat, the crimson. In the meantime, we're waiting for the chalk blue. We are going to do the second coat for the crimsons. Okay. What's the starting price on those colors? All the colors are available on the website. Silla, you can check them out on the website under the winter holidays collection. Okay, so then 2 coat of that. So I'm go ahead and using these 2 colors, number 41 for the cat eyes and number 45 for the cat eyes. But number 41, I'm gonna apply it on the chalk blue. And all you need to do is just one of the magnetic, the cat eyes tool. I'm gonna push it a little bit up. Okay. I'm gonna get chalk blue, give a little shake. Number 41, I love this, absolutely. So when I apply that, see cat eye on tie the nails. Now, if you want the effects of the cat eye so beautiful like this, you can definitely leave it alone. So gorgeous. I feel it looks like what is it called, that similar look of the Aurora, but it's had the cat eyes on it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm using the cat eyes. I'm gonna pull the magnets off from the frame for just a little bit, and you're gonna hold it parallel with the nails, and you gently just move the magnets right down, and you're gonna turn it on the side, and you're gonna move it and guide it in the right, I mean the left, and then let it go in on the right. So it give you like just is the and then do a little bit on the tips and on the side, just really gentle. So now you can have a whole entire the French on the tips. And now we are going to key it. At first, before that, don't key it. Now you are going to key it. So on the crimsons, I'm gonna using a number 45. I love this. Is 90 cat eyes is definitely, this one is so beautiful. I'm gonna show you right here. Kind of a rosy like pink, but it works so beautiful with the crimsons as well. You can see the effects from different angle. And then if you don't want anything, you don't want to have a cat eyes effect, you can just key it, top coat, good to go. Or if you're doing a crystal placement, absolutely. It's like Aurora cat eyes. So again, I'm gonna holding this magnet. I just push up a little bit. And what I do, either way is work though. So you're gonna do it, just go straight parallels with the nails. Just push your cat eyes effects down and turn the magnets to, turn it to the left and turn it to the right. Okay. And then you're gonna using it and do it right on the free edges right here. And then we're gonna do it just right in on the right side. You can see that. And then on the left. There you go. So it's make it like, look, turn it this way, you're seeing just nothing happen, but turn it that way, it's nothing happen, but it looks like you have a really beautiful French on your nails already. All right, cool. So now we want to clear that. So when you apply the cat eyes, if you want to effect, do not clear first, just using the tool and work on that first, okay? So now the option, you can either doing a silver to draw it on the line, or silver is really convenient with the drawing. There's like 12 colors, but I'm not using a silver on this one. Silver or white, either way is work. Or you can put it in the palettes and using the number 4 brush. I love this brush in the long, you know, like stripe. And you can draw your French easier too. Either way, it really works well. Someone using this silver from gel painting collections and with the precision brush, pretty much wipe off most of the gel painting off. And then we are just gonna draw keep the brush like a parallels with the nail plates. And then do the same thing for the others. And this brush is so easy. Just hold and then you're gonna do it, keep it parallel with the nails, and you can create this really cool, easy, like how finished French look. It's up to you if you want a line to be thicker or thinner. It's up to you. And I'm gonna key it for 30 seconds. Moving on to the next nails. Again, I'm gonna using the silver gel painting. And then do the same thing. And you're gonna do, there's thousands of ways to doing it with the French smile line. It really depends. Some people like really straight, not too much of a smile lines, like have a really curved smile line. Some people love really deep smile line. It's really depend on your clients, okay? So you can do so many different way. It's really up to you and your clients. All right, so now we are going to cure for 30 seconds. Okay. And that's it. If you don't want anything else, you top coat and then you keep for 60 seconds and you're good to go. But we are going to do just a little bit of crystal placement on the close to the cuticle, so then we can keep the French, like have cat eyes French. Here's our final looks.